ang legalidad ng inyong hanap buhay, hindi mo maibigay yung tamang sagot na kailangang malaman ng taong bayan?
Your Honor, lahat po kasi ng magiging answer ko po dito might use against me po in the court. Kaya I invoke my right po to remain silent po.
I cannot understand, Mr. Chairman, ang isang simpleng mong hanap buhay na sinasabi mong ikaw, yan ang inyong negosyo. Hindi ko tinatakil ang pogo.
No, I'm just talking about QJJ.
Opo,
Please answer me directly. Yes or no?
I
Do you
invoke
believe?
my right against
Or
self-incrimination po.
now, the question, what is incriminating?
My question will go direct to Ms. Guo. Good afternoon, Ms. Guo.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor.
Pwede ko po bang malaman kung kayo po si Guo Waping?
Your Honor, ako po si Alice ko.
Okay po. Sabi niyo po, kayo po ay negosyante sa farming. Ano po? Pwede po bang malaman, kayo po ba ay may record ng transaction ng bank loan sa kahit anong bangko sa Pilipinas?
Marami po.
Meron po kayong loan sa bank?
Loan? Meron po, marami po.
Pwede po bang malaman kung magkano po ang inyong loan sa bangko?
As of siguro po mga 2 months ago or 3, nasa almost 200 million po.
Ito po yung related sa anong company?
Sa farm po. Ang collateral po is yung QJJ farm po.
Pwede po pakiulit?
QJJ farm po.
Yung pong nasa 200 million yun na loan sa bank, ito po ay isang klaseng loan lang o accumulated loan ng iba't ibang bangko?
Isang bangko lang po siya. Hindi po siya eksaktong 200, almost 200. Yung exact figure po, hindi po ako sure.
Kailan po nagsimula ang inyong loan sa bank?
Kung di pa ako nagkakamali, year 2000. Ang unang-una po is Land Bank and Development Bank of the Philippines. Tas nabayaran na. Tapos, ibang bangko naman po. Kung di pa ako nagkakamali, year 2000 pa po yun.
Mr. Chairman, pwede po kaya nating ma-request ang bank na kung saan may pagkakautang si Ms. Alice Guo, Mr. Chairman? Mr. Chairman, with your indulgence po, pwede po kaya nating ma-request sa bank ang lahat po ng mga bank transaction when it comes to loan of Ms. Alice Guo in representing the corporation that they have?
I think if this is not included in the case in the Anti-Money Laundering Council, maybe we can request only with the permission of Miss Alice Go. So, I don't know if the AMLAC has a copy of that transaction being requested by Congressman Arrogancia. Maybe you can share the information with us.
Yes, Your Honor. Well, under Section 8A of the law, Your Honor, all information that we gather are confidential. But I believe under Section 2 of Republic Act 1405, only deposits of whatever nature, including investment in bonds issued by the Republic of the Philippines, shall be covered by the bank secrecy. And considering that the loan is not among those mentioned by 1405, it may be requested, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, I was just trying to prove ang source of income ni Ms. Alice Guo, bakit po yung kanyang lifestyle ay sobrang taas. Gusto ko pong malaman yung legal na pinanggagalingan ng kanya pong source of funds. Another question, Mr. Chairman. Ms. Alice Guo, pwede po bang malaman kung kayo po ay merong insurance?
Your Honor, wala po.
So sa lahat po ng insurance company, you don't have life insurance po?
Your Honor, wala po.
Okay. Miss Alice Guo, pwede po bang malaman kung gaano na po katagal ang inyong farm na sinasabi niyo po mula pagkabata, kayo po ay sa farm lumaki?
Ang farming po ay business, family business po. Since bata pa lang po ako, may farming na po kami.
So ito po ay isang korporasyon.
Opo, Your Honor.
Pwede po kaya nating malaman kung ito po ay ilan ang empleyado?
Your Honor, ang empleyado po naman ay come and go. So, hindi ko rin po mabibigay po yung exact number po ng employees.
Sa palagay ko po, meron po kayong idea, sinasabi niyo po, ito ho ang inyong negosyo for so long. Siguro ho, sa tagal ninyo, kahit pikit kayo, kung kayo ang may-ari na isang kumpanya, alam niyo kung ilan ang empleyadong meron kayo.
Opo. Pero I don't know the exact number.
Wala po kayong ballpark figure, Miss Alice Guo?
Wala po.
Mr. Chairman, pwede po kayang malaman natin kung ang empleyado po ba ng farm nila, Miss Guo, ay nagbabayad po kaya sila ng SSS? Kung entitled po ba o may SSS po ba ang mga empleyado ninyo sa inyong farm?
Your Honor, I believe meron naman po.
Meron po kaya silang pag-ibig?
Your Honor, I think meron po. Hindi po ako masyado sure po.
Meron po kaya silang PhilHealth?
I think meron po. Hindi po talaga ako sure po.
Mr. Chairman, another thing that I would like to request, yung record ng empleyado ng farm nila Miss Alice Guo para malaman natin ilan ang total empleyado nila sa kanilang farm. At gusto ko ring malaman, yung bang mga empleyado nila sa farm, ito ba ay nababayaran ng tamang benepisyo o nabibigyan ng tamang benepisyo in protection dun sa mga nagtatrabaho para sa kanilang hanap buhay? Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I think we can, if Alice Go will volunteer the information, the committee will appreciate if she will volunteer the information. But if not, maybe we can just ask for the names and we can probably check with DOLE or PhilHealth or SSS if the names that she will give us are members of PhilHealth or SSS.
Mr. Chairman, pwede po kayang malaman kung saan dinadala ng farm nila Miss Alice Guo ang kanila pong mga harvest do sa kanilang farm?
Your Honor, for that question po, I choose to remain silent po.
Simple lang naman po siguro yung tanong ko, Mr. Chairman. Pwede naman po sigurong sabihin kung ang isa pong negosyo ay illegal, kung saan po ang inyong market na pinagdadala ng inyo pong mga pigri po kamo ang inyo pong hanap buhay, Miss Alice Guo.
Yes po, Your Honor. Pero sa sobrang dami na po kasi nadadamay na inosenteng pong tao, kaya natatakot na rin po ako mag-mention. Sorry po talaga.
May masama po bang magtanong kung ang isa pong hanap buhay ay illegal, ang pagbebentahan po ba ng inyong harvest, ito po ba ay merong illegal kung sakali po hindi natin masasabi?
Your Honor, I choose to remain silent po. Sorry po.
Mr. Chairman, napakasimple lamang naman po ng aking tanong. Na kung ang isang hanap buhay o ang isang farm ay legit, siguro naman po ay hindi mahirap isabihin kung saan dinadala yung galing sa inyong farm. Dahil sabi nyo nga po, kayo po ay doon lumaki, doon po kayo pagkabata, doon po kayo nagdalaga. Siguro ho, sa tagal lang panahon, alam na alam po ninyo kung ano po ang in and out sa inyo pong hanap buhay, Miss Guo.
Opo, Your Honor. For that po, I choose to remain silent po. Sorry po.
Okay, Mr. Chairman, I would like to put into record na yung pong basic na tanong pagdating po dun sa legit na hanap buhay na sinasabi po ni Miss Guo ay hindi po niya masabi kung ano po ang market nila. So hindi po maunawaan ng representative nito kung halimbawa po ng isang legit na hanap buhay ay kailangan pong itago natin ang market. Hindi naman po siguro ito for the sake of the competition. Another question po, Mr. Chairman. Yun po bang farm na sinasabi nyo, ito po ba ay may permit mula po sa Bamban LGU?
Your Honor, regarding po sa lahat po ng business po, since may case na po final po sa akin, I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
Pero this is not related about Pogo, Miss Guo.
Yes po, hindi po siya related po sa Pogo, pero there was 8 cases filed against me, including po the businesses, kaya I invoke my right against self-incrimination po. Sorry po talaga.
Mr. Chairman, siguro po, napakasimple lang mga tanong, pero yung mga basic na dapat na malaman ng taong bayan, ng ating mga kababayan sa ating bansa. Kasi inaakusahan ka na hindi ka Pilipina eh. Inaakusahan ka na hindi ka Filipino. And sinasabi mo, negosyante kayo sa Pilipinas. So parang ang nangyayari dito, yung lahat ng duda sa ipagkatao, ito yung tamang pagkakataon para sabihin mo, ang tinatakil ko dito ay ang lehitimong hanap buhay na mula pagkabata. Yun yung ating tinatanong sa iyo. Another question, Mr. Chairman. Ito po ba ay may permitin po mula po sa Department of Agriculture? Dahil kayo po'y nasa farming, gusto ko pong malaman kung ang inyong farm ay may permitin po mula po sa DA.
Your Honor, for that question po, sasagutin ko po. Before, nung si QJJ ay breeder farm pa po siya, before pandemic, siya po ay DA accredited po siya. And after po, nung hindi na po siya nasa breeder business po, wala na po.
Pero hanggang ngayon po, existing po yung inyong breeder business.
Wala na po.
So wala na po. Kailan po ito nagsarado?
Hindi naman po siya nagsara dahil lang po sa ASF po.
So ibig sabihin po, open siya, may empleyado kayo, may nakalagay pa rin po kayong mga mga piglets or mga alagang baboy po dun sa inyong farm.
For that question po, Your Honor, I invoke my right against self-incrimination po. Sorry.
Bakit kailangan mo sabihin yung self-incrimination? Walang masama sa aking tanong.
Problema ko po kasi, Your Honor, finailan na po ako ng AMLA cases po.
And what is the problem of that? Hindi naman siya related sa AMLA kasi we're talking about the legit business that I'm asking from you.
Your Honor, careful lang din po ako ngayon kasi lahat po ng magiging sagot ko po ay gagamitin po sa akin po sa korte po. Sorry po talaga.
So,
Mr. Chair-
Mr. Chairman, just a short interjection.
Since our rules does not allow interjection, but
I am allowing.
with indulgence of,
I am allowing the good chairman.
It's just a short question, Mr. Chairman. Kasi Aka Alice Guis keep on insisting that he refuses to answer question. And sometimes she is invoking right to self-incrimination. Now, tanungin na kita po, with regards to the question of Congressman Arrogancia, in your legit corporation, which is that QJJ, do you believe na wala po kayong violate doon? Any loss in the land?
Mr. Chair, for all the businesses po,
Alam mo, your refusal to answer relevant query from Congressman Arrogancia and all other members since early morning, we will cite you in contempt. We will cite you in contempt, though there is a contempt order from the Senate. You are now detained in Camp Crame. Well, in fact, I will ask the PNP and the court why you were granted to be detained doon sa Philippine Custodial sa center doon sa Camp Crame. Now, if you keep on answering, walang sana incriminating doon. Your case is about Pogo. Your case is about Pogo and your refusal to answer relevant questions in this committee is contemptible offense. Now, will you answer directly to the question being raised? That will be your last warning. We will cite, I personally will cite you in contempt. At alam mo ba, question of jurisdiction, pag-usapan natin yan. Sarap ng buhay mo doon eh. Well, in fact, PNP, who is the highest official now in the police force na humawak sa custody ni Alice Go. Sino po? Kasi, pati security mo. Eh, well, in fact, Kibuloy is detained now, but you. Question, your status now is in question because of national security threat. And you are enjoying in the PNP Custodial Center while Kibuloy is detained in ordinary prison cell. Now, you'll answer or not? Because if you will not, I will cite you in contempt. Question of jurisdiction, pag-usapan yan ng committee to, ng leadership of the House and the Court. You are now, tandaan mo ha, if you will be contempted in this committee today, that is a direct contempt and you are under our custody at of this moment. Tandaan mo yan. Unless the committee will not join me for you to be detained in the House premises or you will be detained in the Women's Correctional. Sarap ng buhay mo doon eh. Dami mo pang bodyguard. O PNP, who is the highest official of the PNP that has the custody of Alice Go? Wala. Pumunta si Alice Go dito, mag-isa. Ang dami niya escort. O, Colonel Gamido. Eh, sobra na to eh. O, Colonel Gamido. Is Colonel Gamido around? Nasa baba daw. Mamaya, balikan kita, Alice. Alice, attorney, please request the chair before you give advice to your lawyer, to your client. No, that's why you ask. Alice Go, the parliamentary rules in the House is for the lawyer or the counsel to ask permission to the chair before you give advice to your client. I want you, attorney. Now, wala pa dito yung PNP. Mr. Chairman, may supposedly motion unless pag-isipan ni Alice Go, I will just hold in abeyance my possible contempt motion, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, with the indulgence of Congressman Arrogancia,